We are working on 2017 f-250 diesel with this code. The fuel rail system pressure to low band 1, but it came with uh, this code too. Low fuel pressure system too low. So I changed on this one. It has only 92,000 miles. I changed the diesel pump. I blowed up all hoses, and for 1 week it was running fine. But after 1 week, the guy said that he was doing it the same. Check engine light come on and come on off, go off. So this is the same codes the last time. So what we found is the, you can see it, we found a lot of dust on the diesel tank, but the problem is this port. We got a lot of dirt over here, so restrict the diesel is this port. So after we change the port, we go under the truck next to the fuel diesel tank. So that was the problem, and it fixed.